Hello, I'm Josh with NEXA Mortgage, and I've made a bunch of videos about the truth about NEXA Mortgage and maybe reasons not to work with NEXA Mortgage. And in truth, to be totally honest with you, those videos were all about why you should work with NEXA Mortgage, but I wanted to give you the things that people say as arguments against NEXA Mortgage. But now I just want to start rolling straight into the reasons that you should work with NEXA Mortgage. I want to show you loan officer support, and I want to show you, first of all, if you're a loan officer and you need loan officer support, here is my referral link. Just go to loanofficersupport.com /R for referral and /Joshua 6221. So that's how you get this service for a period of time for free. If you're a loan officer and you want to use this service, that's how you get it. Now, if you're a real estate agent and you need mortgage support, or you're, anybody that needs mortgage support, you just want some information, you can use this support. If you're a real estate agent, this is perfect for you. If you're a borrower and you're watching this video, then not sure why you are, because it's specifically made for loan officers. But if you're a borrower and you need me, go to talktojosh.net, reach out to me, call me. My cell phone number is right there, 828-238-2682, right there on the screen. There's my email address, and talktojosh.net is my, oh, wait a minute, here you go. There is the way to reach out and fill an application out, talktojosh.net. Okay, so I want to show you loan officer support, and I'm going to make a series of these videos because I want to look at different lenders. But let's do this first. Let's just think of a scenario that we may want help with. Let's see here. Let's just start a brand new scenario. I need to buy with no money down. Do you offer down payment assistance? There you go. Let's see what happens here. This is Loan Officer Support GPT. Down payment assistance. Oh, look at this. Open Mortgage Wholesaler offers programs based on FHA guidelines. Okay, here's their profile link for more information. Let's see that. Loan Officer Support. Okay, Open Mortgage Wholesale. They have come up twice in my searches. I'm curious about them. So let's just look at them. But before we do, let me show you how to find loan lenders, just wide open lenders, and then we're gonna play around with Open Mortgage Wholesale. But you go to lenders, and you can search by scenario or search by loan product in Loan Officer Support. So if you want it right now, UWM's live, AD Mortgage is live, Keystone Funding's live, Community Savings Bank's live, and I'm on the East Coast, and it's what time is it? It's 9:20 a.m. here, so that's 8:20, 7:20, it's 6:20 on the on the West Coast. So already you can find some links if you're as early as 6:20 in the. Anyway, let's look at loan types. Here, right there is down payment assistance, but we got VA, FHA, USDA, 203K, HUD, 184 jumbo, high balance, second. Anyway, there's a ton of options. But let's just go back up to that down payment assistance, see what pops up. This video, we're going to kind of focus on, what was that called? Open Mortgage. Look, they're not online right now, and they haven't been rated by many NEXA Mortgage loan officers. NEXA has given 1,023 reviews of UWM, 1,023 positive, 97 negative, EPM 225 positive, 89 negative. Usually another lender that's up here top on the list, oh, they must not have down payment assistance. MLB is another one that's up top. But let's go to Open Mortgage. That's who we found in the chat, GTP Loan Officer Support. And looks like they've got one positive review, one negative review. They've got one, that looks like a different Open Mortgage. Is that the same one we found a minute ago? Anyway, we're going to do Open Mortgage. No image for Adam. Let's see what we learn about Adam by clicking on his name. We got his email address, his phone number, and his website. Normandy. Wonder if that's wrong. Wonder if we just went to a different lender. But let's go to Open Mortgage. Oh, look at that, Normandy. Oh, I wonder if I just here trying to do a live video discovered an error on loan officer support. I might have, but let's try this. Open Mortgage Wholesale, because I think that's different. Open Mortgage Wholesale is different from Open Mortgage. Must be two different companies, but this one says Normandy. I might send this to our guy that runs loan officer support, see if that's an error. Look at that. Looks like two different companies. Looks like two different, but that one's got that. Anyway, who knows? We'll figure this out. But back to Open Mortgage Wholesale. There's the reviews on these individuals. Oh, look at this. A different number of views. 2 positive, 5 negative. This guy says he's probably the worst AE I've encountered in my 20 years experience as a mortgage loan officer. Well, that sucks. But this guy says he had builder taking forever to build the house, and 2 weeks prior dropped. Our current lender had a horrible negotiation. We switched to Open Mortgage, and they did not disappoint. 5 stars from Philip. It's interesting. Philip is probably a NEXA loan officer. But let's just go to this. Oh, look at that, West Gen. I wonder if Open Mortgage used to be West Gen or something, and they've got different names. Look at that, West Gen. Strange that, oh, this site domain isn't available. Wow, what a messed up video. I'm making a video telling you about loan officer support, and it appears at the moment to just suck. How funny. Let's see if Vaughn is with West Gen. Look at that. There it is, West Gen. I wonder if Open Mortgage Wholesale used to be West Gen and have changed their name. West Gen seems to be gone. So let's go back to this Open Mortgage. They're Normandy. How weird. I'm doing a video for loan officer support, and loan officer support at the moment sucks. I've never had this happen. I love loan officer support. It has. Let me go to Click and Close. I've done one with them, and I know that they did a great job closing a loan, and it just closed on time and everything. And Bob was my AE, and he helped me out. Looks like he's got 11 positive reviews. I should give him a positive review because he did a great job. Look at those positive reviews. Looks like 3 of them here are typed out, but I guess 11 thumbs up, but 3 very positive reviews here. I know that when I did a deal with Click and Close, they just rolled right along. I didn't have to do much of anything. Now, I like to be a little more hands-on and disclose my loans, but they disclosed for me, and so it went really well with Click and Close. Let's see what we can read more here. Mortgage amount is 3.5% of the sales price. That is their down payment assistance. That would be the second mortgage is 3.5% of the sales price. They have a $9.95 admin fee and I don't know what the $500 Rosebud fee is. I'm guessing that might be on the second. Second mortgage will be a 5-year loan with no interest and no payments. It's used with FHA, or probably that means rural development, which would be USDA. No income limits, not limited to first-time home buyers. Minimum credit score of 620 FICO. That's on the repayable. $9.99 rate on a second, amortized over 30 years, due in 10. Now that must be the repayable one. So one's not repayable, one's repayable, and that's not the best description. But let's see what happens when we go to this. This is their portal. When you're uploading, if you want to get more information, you visit Click and Close. Here is their information. You say, Josh, why are you advertising for other lenders? Well, Click and Close is a lender that we use as a wholesale lender. It looks like they do retail as well. I would be curious if I were doing this video with Bob, if I do a loan with Click and Close, what keeps them from refinancing that loan or cutting me out as a loan officer? I don't like to do business with lenders, but I have done business with them. I don't like to do business with lenders that do retail as well. One of my favorite lenders is strictly wholesale, and if their borrower comes back to do a loan, they come back to me. Anyway, that is kind of a quick review of Click and Close. Here's mortgage products. Takes me right to a lot of products. That's their portal. That's a Smart Assumptions second mortgage. Interesting. Curious about what that is. Smart Buy, repayable program, allow you to buy down your interest rate now, guaranteed to receive a lower rate, and pay back the buy down costs later. Oh, that's interesting. Um, Not sure I would advise something like that, but it's a program that might give you an option. Uh, Up to 5% of the purchase price can be used down toward the buyer's down payment. Forgivable or repayable options. No income or first-time buyer restrictions. There we go. Okay, so kind of gave you an idea of what loan officer support is like, and click and close is an option that worked really well. Showed us what they do, showed us what they offered. If Bob was online right now, and I don't think he is, but let's just go back to loan officer support and we can see. We'll keep clicking back. It looks like the last time he was online was 2 days ago. It would say live in the top left-hand corner if he was live. And right now, the number of lenders that are live looks like 1, and that's UWM. Later in the day, there'll be a lot more available online. Sometimes I come here and there's, I don't know, 18 lenders online. Usually not a whole lot more than that, but you can get to them. You can also go here when it says offline. You'll get our concierge. They may reach out to some of these and see if they'll come online and talk to you. Looks like right there, Open Mortgage is in here twice. One is Open Mortgage Wholesale, one's Open Mortgage. I would assume everything in here should be wholesale, but I'm going to send this to Ronaldo and let him see if he can fix if there's something wrong here. Anyway, there you go. There's a review of loan officer support, and you got to see it not working its best. And but I'm going to do more videos and talk about more lenders as we go.